I am a yoga instructor and yoga therapist from Singapore. It is a great pleasure and honor to be amongst such great dignitaries and speakers today. आप सभी का मैं तहे दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ. As you all know, 21st June is the International Day of Yoga, and we have started the celebrations already. YouthNews.online, in association with National Youth Foundation, Indian Yoga Association, and Parmarth Niketan Ashram have organized International Yoga E-Conclave, and today is the second day. We have some renowned and eminent speakers from all over the world to enlighten us. Yesterday was the first day of the conclave, and we had the privilege to listen to many spiritual gurus and yoga masters from all over the world sharing their wisdom and knowledge with us. It is my pleasure to extend a cheerful welcome to all of you for the second day of International Yoga E-Conclave 2021. I would like to thank the sponsors of the conclave, who are City Montessori School, Vishwa and Vyasa Canada, the Art of Living Foundation, Hum Purna Yoga Institute, Sarva Yoga International, Resonance the Yoga Studio, International Naturopathy Organization, SBPASS, World Yoga Federation, Yoga Alliance International, Sunmark Event Expert, Adhyatma Yoga Kendra, Soham Department of Yoga and Naturopathy, MJ College, Jalgaon, Anand Ashram, Pondicherry, Dr. Nutan Ayurveda and Garbh Sanskar Academy, Manav Dharam, Argentinian Hindu Parishad. Thank you all. The reach and spread of yoga today spans across continents. There are communities of yoga practitioners in almost every country in the world today. In order to benefit fully from yoga, to understand yoga in its entirety, we must reflect on who is a yogi. There is a beautiful shlok in Bhagavad Gita where Lord Krishna says, Yasmano dvijate loko, lokano dvijate chayaha, harshamarsh bhayo dvegair, muktoya sachme priyaha. By whom the world is not disturbed, and he who is not disturbed by the world, who is free from joy, impatience, fear, and distress. He is also dear to me. As you all know, we are going through extraordinary times with the pandemic still quite prevalent. As the world battles the COVID-19 pandemic on a war footing, India's traditional system of yoga has been established as a means to boost immunity, improve overall health and well-being. On 20th March 2020, Director General of the WHO also suggested that people could do yoga to maintain their physical and mental health. This will not help you only in the long term, it will also help you to fight COVID-19 if you get it, he suggested.
So much. We would like to welcome you all. This event is organized by YouthNews.online in association with Parmarth Niketan Ashram and Indian Yoga Association. यहाँ आए हुए सभी लोगों का मैं हार्दिक स्वागत, वंदन एवं अभिनंदन करता हूँ. This event is supported by City Montessori School, Vishwa and Vyasa Canada, the Art of Living Foundation, Hum Purna Yoga Institute, Sarva Yoga International, Resonance the Yoga Studio, International Naturopathy Organization, World Yoga Federation, Yoga Alliance, Sunmark Event Expert, Adhyatma Yoga Kendra, Soham Department of Yoga and Naturopathy, MJ College Jalgaon, Ananda Ashram Pondicherry, Dr. Nutan Ayurveda and Garbh Sanskar Academy, Manav Dharma Argentinian Hindu Parishad. इसी के साथ मैं यहाँ आए हुए सभी अतिथियों का हार्दिक स्वागत, वंदन एवं अभिनंदन करता हूँ. हमारे बीच में अब से कुछ ही देर बाद आज के कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि डॉक्टर स्वामी सत्यप्रकाश जी होंगे, मैं उनका भी हार्दिक स्वागत, वंदन एवं अभिनंदन करता हूं. We will be great to have special guest Mahatma Krishnanand ji, the president, Manav Dharm Argentinian Hindu Parishad. उनका भी स्वागत है. We would like to welcome Nandini Tripathi, Director of Project Implementation and Communication at Global Interfaith Wash Alliance. We would like to welcome Yogi Chintamani, educationist and peace activist from Nepal. We would like to welcome Acharya Vasudevanand ji. We would like to welcome Tone Well, Shishir Srivastav ji, Antim Kumar Jain ji, Eric joining it all the way. Then we have the list is endless. Acharya Vipin Joshi ji Maharaj, Swami Suryananda Saraswati. Then we would like to have the Dr. Nutan's speech. We would like to welcome her on board. Then Yogacharya Dhakka Ram ji, Dr. Madan Manav ji, Anant Biradar ji. We would like to welcome you all on behalf of Indian Yoga Association, National Youth Foundation, Parmarth Niketan and YouthNews.online. With this, I would like to request Neetu ji to can you proceed this event further? Thank you.
I would now like to invite Dr. Sunanda Rathi, Director, Chiranjeev Foundation, to enlighten us with words of wisdom. Dr. Sunanda Rathi.
Namaskar and good evening to all. I must congratulate Himanshuji Pandey, his team, and today's compel, because a lot of celebrities from all over the world are here to guide us on this occasion. I may say this is a delivery part of this program as we are at the end. Thank you, Dr. Nutan, for explaining all the process. We heard so many speakers, Dr. Aditi, then Amit, Dr. Jain, and you told us and suggested how to live in present. Now yoga has become popular and everybody understood that yoga is the only solution for all our problems, not only physical health, but mental health. And this pandemic has given a new, we can say, era for yoga and developing our immunity and fighting with everything. But only one thing, Himanshu and all experts, I would like to tell that now there are mushrooms of yogis. There are many institutes and many yoga have gathered experience and qualification, but they are taking yoga courses. We have to do something, because when we say yoga, and right now, Dr. Nutan said it is a tapasya, it is a sadhana, it is a tapas. So it is a continuous process, like Sage Patanjali said in his 14th verse of Samadhi Path, that it is a nirantar, it is a continuous, and that we have to follow. It's the ethic of yoga that before we call ourselves yogi, because I feel, see, I have done my PhD in yoga under the able guidance of a scientist, Dr. H.R. Nagendra ji. Still, I feel that we do not have knowledge. Still, there is something to hear. And I'm really impressed with the galaxy of the people whom Himanshu has gathered and brought one platform on online. So there is so much to learn. And in Bhagavad Gita, it is said that yoga karmasu kaushalam. So skills. Yoga is helping our life skills. Yoga is not only physical asana. It is not just reduction of weight. It is not just flexibility. It is not just doing some advanced asana and posting on digital media and coming that I am doing yoga. So yoga word, it's very much different, and it has to be understood by everybody, by everyone. And we have to grow ourselves, and we can grow if we develop our skills in yoga by continuously upgrading. Because yoga gives you decision-making power. Yoga gives you power of concentration. You can focus, you can develop, you can sort out your all problem. Because I feel for every problem, there is a solution in Bhagavad Gita. There is a solution in Patanjali Yoga Sutra. There is solution in Hada Pradipika. So it is our duty to tell our students and who are into the yoga that first read this Indian ancient sciences related to you, first you understand Patanjali. Patanjali has never said anything regarding any asana, but he has guided us how to be in one asana comfortable, how to go into that position step by step, how to hold that position, and how to be relaxed. Prayatna Shaitilyam Ananta Samapatti Bhyam. So, my dear all gurus and yoga masters and yoga experts who are there here today, on invitation of Himanshuji, please see that whomsoever you are talking and whomsoever you are educating, you see that he takes this tapas, this sadhana in a right way and not just focusing on physical exercises, as yoga works on 5 koshas, 5 levels of our integrated personality, that is physical, mental, emotional, intellectual, and spiritual. Now it's fashion. I'm doing yoga. I'm on a spiritual path. And immediately, and young people, they are going and for 1 month course of meditation, and they are telling, we are into meditation. So understand the tapas, understand the sadhana, understand a rishi who sits on highest Himalayan peak for years together is also not in a position to achieve that stage for which we are looking. So living in present, sir, you said we have to live in present. We have to understand the meaning of yoga. We have to read, practice, do tapas, and then come to this platform and guide who are into yoga. We are affiliated to S. Vyasa, running yoga instructor program. Only in 6 months, students feel that they can start teaching, and it's not that so. As rightly Dr. Nutan said, it takes 9 months, and before that also there is a tapas. And after delivery, in Marathi, we call in Maharashtra, Ghoro Ghara Janmati Jnaneshwar. So if you want Jnaneshwar in every house, that Mauli in every house, there is a tapas of mother and environment, that is a family. So which environment is created in this yoga? Just it's becoming fashion. Anybody comes in and start teaching you. So Himanshuji, I'm requesting you to see that the people who are just practicing yoga and doing advanced asana cannot teach you. So remember one message, yoga karmasu kaushalam. Kaushalam is a skill and it is a yajna. This yajna of 3 days, Himanshu must have taken lot of efforts. उनकी टीम है, उनका साथ दे रही है, उनकी सेना है, इसमें अर्जुन भी है, दुर्योधन भी है, बट साथ कृष्ण ने अर्जुन का दिया. कृष्ण ने युद्ध नहीं किया पर उसको विजय करवाया. कर्ण ने क्या किया? कर्ण ने दोस्ती निभाई, भले उसने गलत का साथ दिया पर दोस्ती निभाई. तो हमें योग में आने के बाद योग को समझना है, योग को समझाना है, योग की तपस्या करना है, योग की सेवा करना है, और ये भारतीय परंपरा को पूरे विश्व में इस तरह से फैलाना है जो हमें पतंजलि ने कहा, जो हमें श्री कृष्ण ने कहा. तो मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूंगी कि फॉर एवरी प्रॉब्लम देयर इज अ सॉल्यूशन इन योग. सो गो इनटू द योग, इनटू द डेप्थ. Knowledge can be gathered from outside, but art of yoga will only come from inside, because art is inside and knowledge is outside, and yoga is a combination of outside and inside, intellect and heart. So if you are focusing on your heart, your emotions, personal relations, which are real problems, can be sorted out with yoga.